Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this video, and I hope you guys are doing very well. So ever since last week when I posted a gif rocking this new bob, a few people asked me a few questions on my Snap and Instagram. So I decided to make a full video explaining all the details about the hair so that you can get the drift, and if you like it, you can buy it. So this wig is from Sleek and it is the Brie wig. It's a short cropped cut like that. So it's 1B. I tried on the colour 1 and I thought it was too jet black. So I thought the 1B would look a bit more natural. And because I was blending it with my natural hair on the side, I wanted it to be more natural, and a 1B would do that job for me. So the wig came in this box, very nice box, very good presentation. Unfortunately, I threw away some of the packaging, but I can just tell you about the hair. I've been wearing it for about a week or so, and it's just been fine. By the way, this is human hair, 100% human. This is not synthetic, so you can put heat on the hair without worrying about it sizzling. You can wash it, you can dye it. I am planning on dyeing it a color soon, just because I feel like I've got too many black wigs. And although this is nice, I like this hair a lot because it's professional. You can wear this to work if you work a 9 to 5. It's not like bam in your face, wow, like crazy hair. It's very suitable for working environments, and it's also suitable for getting your life after work as well. So it's really up to you. I like the versatility of the hair. It's so easy to put on, as you saw. It's got one big clip at the back, and it's got, I think, one on either side. Yeah, it's got one here, and one at the back for secure hold. I haven't really been using the clips, to be honest, because I realized that after using the clips for so long with my other wigs, it really did root out the side of my hair. Like my edges were like really rooted out and short, so I decided not to really use the clips as much. I've secured it down using bobby pins anyway, so that's fine. I didn't even have to create these bangs, it just came with it, you know. And because it's human, I can curl it, can do whatever the hell I please. I'm just happy with this hair. It was a good buy, a good little investment. Oh, by the way, I bought this hair from an Asian beauty supply shop. It's not PAX, it's another shop. I don't even remember the name, but if you guys want this wig, you can go onto the Sleek website and you can find the wig there for yourself. It will be the same price as I paid in the store. It's just that it's on the website. I think you may have to pay for delivery, I'm not quite sure, but if you go onto the website, I'll try and put the full link below. If you go onto the website, you'll be able to find this wig and select it in the color that you want. They have it in color 1, 1B. They also have 1B33, and I think they had like a highlighted color that was available if you guys are interested. So those are the brief specs of this wig. It is such a nice cut. It is such a nice cut. So this for me is perfect. I'm really loving that it's so low maintenance, and I don't have to keep picking up hair from the floor. It's nice for spring, all occasions as well. You can just style it up. As I said, you can dye it as well. So it's really up to you. The choice is yours. I think this wig will look bomb if it was blonde. This hair is so quick and easy to put on. It is so low maintenance and stress free. You don't have to worry about glue in it, which I hate. It is glueless, and it's not really a frontal like that, so it's cool anyway. So guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please give me the thumbs up, as it helps with my engagement. Also, don't forget to comment if you like this wig and you want to know more information about it. I will leave all the information about the wig in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. Also, smash the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload another video. And if you're not already following me on my socials, add me on Instagram, iam_she1. That's where I put most of my information out and I post every single day. Also, you can add me on my Snap for all the BTS action. My Snap is Iamshe8 and I may even follow back. So guys, that's it for the video and I'll talk to you again in my next one. Take care for now. Bye. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. You can keep up with me on Instagram at iam_she1 for daily fashion posts, inspirational quotes, beauty and lifestyle content. Also follow me on Snapchat at Iamshe8 so you can see all the latest BTS action. Add me on my Depop account also, as I sell the latest in women's wear, hair and electronics. If you're a Twitter user, you can also follow me at iam_she8. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, guys. Take care for now, my loves. Bye.